Far beyond the coastline, engineers are attempting an extraordinary mission to build the world's first floating city, challenging everything humanity believed about permanent ocean living. This ambitious project promises homes, clean energy, and resilient communities, yet every decision must overweight. Hidden beneath the surface lies the greatest engineering challenge, where invisible forces constantly threaten the engineers selected a remote offshore location where deep water, stable currents, and careful environmental planning could support an entirely new way of urban development. Before construction could begin, thousands of simulations tested how every platform would react to every floating neighborhood depends on carefully balanced structures capable of supporting buildings while remaining remarkably stable above constantly moving seawater under demanding conditions. Instead of resisting the ocean completely, designers created flexible systems allowing the city to move naturally with waves while protecting everyday life above.
Advanced composite materials reduce weight, resist corrosion, and dramatically extend the lifespan of structures.
Storm survival became a defining priority because one extreme hurricane could determine whether this unprecedented floating city succeeds or completely fails in practice. Unexpectedly, engineers discovered that carefully designed flexibility offered greater protection than rigid construction against. Deep beneath the city, enormous anchoring systems quietly hold entire districts in position. Installing these underwater anchors demanded specialized vessels capable of operating accurately in extreme depths where conventional construction equipment simply could never function effectively. Each completed connection transformed separate floating platforms into an integrated foundation strong enough to support a thriving community above the endless blue horizon.
Reliable, renewable energy would become essential because transporting traditional fuels across open seas every day remained.
Engineers combined solar arrays, offshore wind, and ocean energy technologies into one resilient system. Fresh water presented another critical obstacle, forcing innovative solutions that transformed surrounding seawater into dependable. Future homes were designed to maximize comfort while automatically adapting to changing weather, energy demand, and the unique rhythm of ocean living every day.
Every neighborhood balances sustainability, safety, and efficiency, creating an environment where technology quietly.
As construction accelerated, the vision expanded beyond survival at sea toward creating an inspiring model for future coastal systems. Yet the most remarkable breakthrough had not arrived, because one revolutionary innovation would soon redefine. Construction entered its most demanding phase as massive floating sections arrived from distant shipyards, requiring flawless coordination before permanent. Every connection had to absorb constant movement without weakening, allowing entire districts to behave as one resilient structure despite shifting ocean conditions below.
Engineers monitored thousands of structural measurements continuously, ensuring every floating module remained in balance.
Hidden stabilization systems quietly compensated for changing loads, preventing uneven movement that could threaten the city's. Specialized marine concrete resisted relentless saltwater exposure, extending structural durability far beyond conventional coastal construction methods used around the world today. Tower cranes gradually reshaped the horizon, lifting enormous steel frameworks that transformed empty platforms. Unexpected weather forced construction teams to adapt quickly because even minor delays could affect carefully synchronized offshore installation schedules across every refrigerants. Advanced forecasting technology predicted changing sea conditions hours ahead, allowing every construction activity to continue. Each completed district proved the floating foundation could safely support increasingly complex infrastructure without sacrificing users. The project inspired global attention because its engineering solutions offered practical possibilities for densely populated coastal. Autonomous construction equipment soon reduced dangerous manual tasks, improving efficiency while maintaining remarkable.
Artificial intelligence continuously optimized logistics, directing equipment, materials, and construction vessels through an increasingly complex network without unnecessary delays or congestion.
Beneath every platform, underwater robots inspected structural connections where human divers could safely spend only limited amounts of working time underwater. Sensors detected microscopic structural changes long before visible damage appeared, allowing preventive maintenance instead of expensive emergency. Engineers realized intelligent infrastructure would become just as important as physical construction for ensuring decades of reliable floating city performance across changing oceans. For the first time, the emerging city resembled a permanent urban landscape instead of a temporary offshore construction project floating beyond the shoreline. Residents would eventually experience daily life surrounded entirely by water, supported through engineering systems operating. The growing metropolis demonstrated that thoughtful engineering could transform open oceans into livable environments without abandoning environmental responsibility or long. Yet one extraordinary challenge still remained before this remarkable vision could truly become humanity's first self-sustaining floating city on the open ocean. Everything built so far would soon face its greatest test against the full power of nature, beyond the protection of any coastline. Powerful waves finally arrived, placing every engineering decision under relentless pressure as the floating city. Instead of resisting each wave directly, the interconnected foundation distributed enormous forces across multiple platforms. With remarkable structural, deep anchoring systems absorbed tremendous stress while keeping entire neighborhoods securely positioned, despite powerful ocean currents pulling from different directions simultaneously. Real-time monitoring instantly identified changing structural loads, allowing automated systems to rebalance. When the storm finally weakened, engineers discovered the floating foundation had performed beyond expectations. Confidence rapidly increased because surviving the first major storm proved the city's revolutionary design could withstand extreme marine environments over many decades ahead. Construction resumed immediately as additional residential districts expanded the city's footprint farther into open waters.
Green parks and public spaces emerged above the ocean, transforming engineered platforms into welcoming communities.
Engineers carefully integrated transportation networks connecting every neighborhood while maintaining uninterrupted access for emergency services. If groundbreaking engineering inspires you, consider subscribing, because even greater innovations are about to reshape.
Energy storage systems balanced fluctuating renewable generation, ensuring uninterrupted electricity even during. Artificial intelligence continuously predicted electricity demand, optimizing energy distribution while throughout every.
Rainwater harvesting complemented desalination facilities, creating multiple reliable freshwater sources capable of supporting thousands. Waste management followed a circular design, where valuable materials were continuously recovered instead of being discarded into fragile marine ecosystems below. Floating farms supplied fresh produce locally, reducing transportation needs while strengthening long-term food security for residents living far beyond traditional coastlines. Marine ecosystems unexpectedly benefited because carefully engineered underwater habitats attracted fish, coral growth, and diverse ocean wildlife around structural foundations naturally. Researchers recognized the city as both an engineering achievement and a living laboratory for sustainable ocean development, benefiting future generations across the globe. International experts visited frequently, studying innovative construction methods that could transform vulnerable coastal regions facing accelerating sea level rise worldwide today. Every completed system demonstrated that permanent ocean communities were no longer distant concepts, but realistic essence. Yet the city's greatest achievement would only become clear when thousands of people, including individuals from different families, gradually moved into waterfront neighborhoods, proving permanent life above the open ocean could become both comfortable and remarkably practical for future generations. Schools, healthcare facilities, and community centers transformed engineered platforms into thriving neighborhoods where daily routines unfolded naturally above the endless sea. Smart buildings automatically optimized indoor comfort, reducing energy consumption while adapting continuously to changing weather and occupancy throughout.
Artificial intelligence coordinated transportation, utilities, and emergency services, allowing the city to respond.
The city demonstrated remarkable resilience during seasonal storms, maintaining uninterrupted services.
Ocean research expanded rapidly because permanent offshore laboratories provided scientists with unprecedented opportunities to
instruments. Nearby marine biodiversity continued increasing, confirming thoughtful engineering could coexist successfully with healthy oceans. International planners closely observed every achievement, recognizing practical solutions for coastal regions threatened by rising seas and growing urban. Additional floating districts extended outward seamlessly, proving the modular design could support continuous expansion without disrupting existing neighborhoods or essential infrastructure. Engineers envisioned specialized districts dedicated to education, technology, research, and sustainable manufacturing across future. Clean maritime transportation integrated naturally with city life, creating efficient connections between offshore communities and traditional coastal regions every single day.
It transformed the city into a breathtaking display where efficient lighting reflected gently across calm waters without disturbing surrounding marine wildlife unnecessarily.
Every successful milestone strengthened confidence that floating cities could become practical alternatives wherever expanding coastlines. The world's oceans suddenly appeared less like barriers and more like opportunities waiting for visionary engineering machines. What once seemed impossible had evolved into a living example of resilience, sustainability, and innovation. Future generations may remember this achievement as the moment humanity permanently expanded civilization beyond the boundaries of traditional land-based cities forever. Yet countless engineering possibilities remain unexplored beneath the oceans, promising even greater discoveries beyond today's remarkable floatants. The next chapter of ocean civilization may already be taking shape somewhere beyond the horizon, where imagination continues. The floating city inspired engineers worldwide to rethink urban development, where oceans become valuable foundations.
Countries facing shrinking coastlines began exploring similar concepts, adapting modular floating technology to meet unique environmental and economic challenges across different regions.
Investment in offshore infrastructure accelerated because successful engineering proved entirely new economic opportunities could emerge from sustainable ocean development initiatives.
Universities established specialized research programs, preparing future engineers to design resilient ocean communities with advanced technology and environmental responsibility together.
Every breakthrough demonstrated that careful innovation could expand civilization while respecting the fragile ecosystems. Supporting this remarkable achievement became more than engineering because it represented humanity's determination to solve global challenges through creativity and scientific collaboration together. Future floating cities may eventually support millions of people while reducing pressure on crowded coastlines and preserving valuable natural landscapes for generations ahead. Dissonance. Engineers now envision interconnected ocean communities sharing clean energy, resources, and transportation across. What seemed like science fiction gradually transformed into practical engineering through persistence, innovation, and vision. Standing a sting above endless waters, this extraordinary city proves humanity's greatest limits often exist only until visionary. The journey from impossible dream to thriving reality reminds us every revolutionary idea begins with one courageous decision to build beyond familiar boundaries. Yet even this remarkable city represents only the beginning of humanity's expanding relationship with Earth's vast and largely unexplored oceans in the future. Somewhere beyond the horizon, engineers are already imagining even larger floating civilizations that could reshape life across our changing planet forever ahead.
The next engineering revolution may not rise from solid ground, but instead emerge gracefully above the regiments.
One question remains unanswered as humanity continues pushing beyond traditional boundaries into environments once considered. If we can build thriving cities upon the sea, what extraordinary frontiers will future engineers conquer beyond Earth's familiar horizons together next? Thank you for exploring this incredible engineering journey, and more groundbreaking construction stories are waiting in our next cinematic documentary adventure together.
Until next time, keep imagining the impossible, because tomorrow's greatest engineering achievement will begin.
The future is already taking shape across the oceans, and this remarkable floating city may only be humanity.